Attorneys are actually called attorneys and counselors at law. And what most people get nowadays is just the attorney. They don't get the counselor. And the attorney is the person that tells you the law and tells you what the law is and what your punishment could be and what the legal strategies are. The counselor tells you all the things that you were just talking about. Who is the judge? Where is the county? What's the climate? And also the counselor is the one that says, let's go talk to the prosecutor and the judge after we have gotten a thorough evaluation and we've gotten you treatment if you need it. And if you don't need treatment, that's fine too. We can show them that we've already been proactive and got you the evaluation day one. Think about it this way, as far as the value of the evaluation and why I think it's so important to do it early. Even if you have a good legal defense, even if you have a very solid legal defense, getting a prosecutor to be willing to reduce a charge is a big deal, because the prosecutor, having been one for many years myself, the prosecutor doesn't want to be the guy that reduces the charge and then the person that they reduce the charge with goes out and hits a school bus full of kids drunk. Now, if that same prosecutor has an evaluation in his file and looks at the case and says, yes, there's some legal problems with this case, this lawyer's done good lawyering, and this person doesn't have a substance abuse problem, or they do have a problem, but they're getting treatment, their willingness to reduce that charge is going to be far greater because they've done their due diligence. They have something in their file to say, I've considered it. I evaluated this person and I didn't evaluate them to be terribly dangerous. And if that person goes out and does something crazy, they still have the report in the file showing that they did their due diligence. So that evaluation is not only valuable to the individual in terms of getting well and getting better, but strategically getting a case reduced, it's also a valuable tool for me to do that.